How to use Affirm card with Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to use Affirm card with Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different sections that you can use to navigate to other areas of the app. From there, tap on the Profile option. It is this option here at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the Profile page of the app. On this page, there are different sections that you can use to navigate to other areas of the app. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are various options that can help you access different features of the app. From them, tap this one here named Linked Banks. After that, the page will start loading. Kindly be patient and give it time. Finally, you will land on this page here where you will see all the banks and cards you have linked to your Cash App account. In order to use a card with Cash App, you have to link it first. So, to do that, tap on this option here named Link Debit Card. Once again, the page will load. Give it a few seconds. After that, this page will appear. The page has a section with several fields that you can use to enter the card details. On the first field, make sure you enter the card number which is found on the card. After that, come down to the following section where you are supposed to enter the expiry date, beginning with the month and then followed by the year of expiry. After that, come to this other section here and then enter the CVV number, which is made up of 3 numbers. It is normally found on the back of the card. From there, then come this final section and make sure you enter the zip code of your location. After doing all that, make sure the details you have entered are all correct, and then proceed and tap here Link Card. After that, the card will be linked and you can then start using it. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to use Affirm card with Cash App.